students. For today's lesson, we have logarithmic functions, equations, and inequality. Our objective is to distinguish logarithmic function, logarithmic equations, and logarithmic inequality. How A, B, and C are similar, and how they are different. A. Logarithmic of x minus 2 base 2 is equal to 5. B. ln of x is greater than or equal to 9. C. Y is equal to negative logarithmic of x base to 1/2. A, B, and C are all involved expressions with logarithms. A and B only involve one variable, but C expressed with two variables. If you are looking with a variable, in A and B, we have x, while in C, we have y and x. A and C has equality equation because they have equal sign, while B is inequality equation because it has inequality sign which is greater than or equal to. Logarithmic equation. An equation involving logarithms. Example, logarithmic of x base 2 is equal to 4. So we have a logarithm and we have equal sign. That's why it is called logarithmic equation. Logarithmic inequalities. An equation involving logarithmics. So in these logarithmic inequalities, we use inequality sign. We have greater than, less than, greater than or equal, less than or equal. Example, ln of x squared is greater than the square root of ln x. We have logarithmic expression and we have inequality sign. That's why it is a logarithmic inequalities. Next, logarithmic function. Functions on the form of f of x is equal to logarithmic of x base b, where your b is greater than 0 or your b is not equal to 1. Example, g of x is equal to the logarithmic of x base 3. In this given, g of x is the sign for function, and logarithmic of x base 3 is a logarithmic or an expression of logarithm. We can also rewrite function as y. Y is equal to logarithmic of x base 3. Y again is a sign for function and logarithmic of x base 3 is a sign for logarithmic. Let's determine whether the given is logarithmic function, logarithmic equation, logarithmic inequality, or none of these. First, f of x is equal to logarithmic of x base 5. Since we have a function here, or a sign of a function, and logarithmic expression, then it is logarithmic function. Next, we have y is equal to 2 logarithmic of x base 4. We have y as a function again, and 2 logarithmic of x base 4 is a logarithmic expression. That's why it is called logarithmic function. Another example is logarithmic of 4x is equal to negative logarithmic of 3x plus 5. This time, we have two logarithmic expression, the left and the right term, and we have an equal sign. That's why it is logarithmic equation. X logarithmic of x base 2 minus 1 is greater than 0. So we have a logarithmic expression here, and we have inequality sign. That's why it is logarithmic inequality. Let's determine whether the given is logarithmic function, logarithmic equation, logarithmic inequality, or none of these. Number 1, logarithmic of 2x minus 1 base 3 is greater than logarithmic of x plus 2 base 2. In this given, we have logarithmic expression and inequality sign. That's why it is logarithmic inequality. Number 2, h of x is equal to logarithmic of x base 0.25. In this given, we have a function and a logarithmic expression. That's why it is a logarithmic function. Third one, 2 plus y is equal to logarithmic of x base 3. In this given, we have logarithmic expression and also a function. That's why it is called a logarithmic function. Number 4, logarithmic of 2x minus 1 base 3 is equal to 2. In this given, we have logarithmic expression and also equal sign. That's why it is called logarithmic equation. Last, number 5, logarithmic of x squared is equal to 2. In this given, we have a logarithmic expression and an equal sign. That's why it is called logarithmic equation. I hope you learned something for today. Thank you for listening. God bless.